speaking for us. I have my own story sa Advantage. No? Way back, siguro 2 years ago.
February.
Yeah. Meron talaga akong fatty liver. This is true. This is my own story. I treated myself with iba-ibang gamot na yung treated ko sa sarili ko actually. I treated with the best, treat ko sa last na medication na tinake ko is the Godex. I take it once a day for 1 month. That was December. So sabi ko magpapatest ako, pero wala, hindi siya natinag yung result ko. Very high. So sabi ko kay Doc, I will stop. Kasi nakatatlong produkto na ako. So sabi ko, I will stop kasi baka hindi talaga. So I do the diet. So sabi ni Doc, meron siyang ibibigay na product. Eh ako kasi, hindi ako basta-basta umiinom. So sabi ko, sige, mauna ka nang uminom. It took him 2 weeks pa. 2 weeks pa. Sabi ko, try ko nga. So I tried. So pagdating ng April kasi birthday ko, meron akong birthday ko, meron akong annual exam, blood test. So I do that test. So would you believe, nag-normal yung LGBT ko, So sabi ko, very promising talaga yung product. Very promising. So I took the study. So nakita ko doon, the NRF2 increases your glutathione. So it is a known antioxidant, right? Very powerful. Yun yung wala doon sa mga commercial. In Silimarin, they don't have the glutathione. In Godex, they don't have that. I think that yun yung naiba. That makes the difference doon sa mga tinig ko. In NRF2, I think it increases your glutathione up to 300%. So, nakita niyo yung mga nagdi-drip. That is our antioxidant actually. Yung whitening niya, side effect lang yun. But they really need that for antioxidant. So doon ko nakita na because of that, sabi ko kay Doc, because of the glutathione na incorporate dun sa NRF2, it will really treat or help you if you have fatty liver. So that is my own story. I hope you can also share your own story.
Yeah.